Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, The King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is another Afnan. The house of Afnan is quite well known Middle Eastern brand. They have so many hits that I don't think you need to they need the introduction. So Afnan, they have many varieties of fragrances. Their portfolio is huge. Probably by now they have around 100 perfumes, 100 fragrances in their portfolio. I unboxed and reviewed many of them, and every time I get one I'm so impressed that I go and buy another one. So this is an affordable cheapy one. This one's called Afnan Inara Black, although it doesn't mention black, but the bottle is black here. There are two of them, Inara white and Inara black, so this is the black version. On the website it says it's unisex, so I take it for what it is, and it's 100 ml eau de Perfume, and in the United Kingdom you can find it under £20. Yes, so that's why I had to get it and see how it goes, and there's no review for it at all anywhere. So without further ado, let's do the unboxing. But before I do that, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative or valuable in any way, shape or entertaining, hit those buttons. This way you help me, you encourage me, you motivate me to make videos like this in future. Thank you very much for your support, and let's go. So as you can see, it's a nice box, quite simple, but it does the job perfectly. It says Afnan Inara. Sorry about the noise. When you do unboxing, you can't do anything about it. Okay, here we go. So got a nice box. It's got a nice design to it, but it's quite simple as well, but it does the job perfectly, which is protecting the bottle. Alright, here we go. So the Middle Eastern brands always give you everything plus the kitchen sink, and in this case as well, very heavy bottle, very nice design to it. Here it says Inara embossed, and the cap itself is quite a, wow, it's a heavy cap, weight to it. There you go. So let's go. Cap is heavy as well, and the atomizer, very good atomizer. So Inara Black by Afnan for under £20, eau de Perfume, unisex. Here we go. How is it first impression? Wow, very aromatic. So it's very aromatic, it's quite fresh. I don't know where does the black come from, but it's quite fresh. It's quite inviting, aromatic, very quite citrusy in the beginning, and herbal. Yeah, big herbal in here. Let's go on the green side. Definitely big on aromatic. Definitely big lavender in here. It's a woody base, but there's something else in the base. They're giving it a little bit of body. It could be either leather or something like suede or something in that vein. So it's quite, at the moment it's quite leathery. Yeah, it is leather, but the leather at the moment is very light. It's quite bright. It's not a dark, so I don't know if it's going to develop and become darker, so that's why they call it black. But at the moment, very fresh, very inviting, very aromatic, very herbal, quite fresh, and little bit of 80s and 90s feel to it as well. It's a little bit on the classic masculine side, so this is quite on the masculine side. Yeah, definitely it reminds me of 80s and 90s perfumery, that masculine, very rugged feel, manly fragrances, and this is in that category. Wow, and the leather is coming up more and more. It's getting a little bit smoother as well. I'm guessing maybe there is a sandalwood in here, making it very, very smooth. There is a wood in the background, but it's very smooth wood. But overall, what an opening, what a nice fragrance for under £20. This is a banger. Very, very nice. I like it. I'm not sure if they're trying to imitate somebody or they're trying to copy something. I'm not sure. But for now, for opening, it's very fresh, quite aromatic, big lavender, herbal, a little bit of spicy underline to it. Maybe listen, there's a nutmeg in here as well. And overall is quite nice. And also the leather is coming up more and more. It's quite getting more leathery. Yeah, the leather is coming up, so it's getting more leathery, and the leather is getting a little bit darker, so it might be becoming darker and darker. But for first impression, what a smell! But it's one of those smell that's definitely quite mature because of the 80s and 90s fragrances. As I said, it reminds me of that genre, classic and manly and quite rugged. But I'll let you know in the next video development, the longevity and things like that. But first impression, first sniff, yes, 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 I'm liking it. It's up my alley. I like this genre anyway. I'm a middle-aged man. It reminds me of those, you know, my favorite genre from 80s and 90s. So to take away for now, for the first impression, herbal, aromatic, little bit citrus, leathery, little bit woodiness, and it reminds me of classical fragrances from 80s and 90s. Okay guys, thank you very much for joining me. As always, if you know it, if you have it, if you tried it, let other people know. That would be useful for others to read. If you like to purchase one of my own fragrances, yes, I'm a perfumer myself. I make my own perfume from scratch to the perfume. Nobody else is involved. It's just me, and they are out of this world. They are very, very strong. They are super beast mode. They are intriguing, very artistic, very unique. But you need to live in the United Kingdom in order to purchase them. I leave them in the description as well. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, or valuable, you know what to do. Hit those buttons. This way you help me to grow my channel. I'll be very appreciative. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye, bye, bye.